Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Helmut Meshko, I'm the founder of hostmarie.com. And today we have a short StackCP tutorial how you can restore individual files or folders from your file manager. So let's dive in. And yes, let's make it larger. So what you need to do, of course, you're going to File Manager. Once you're into File Manager, you might have lots of folders for subdomains or for other domain names. And let us say you wish to restore one specific folder. For example, you would go to blog and WP content, you would like to, you have deleted it or some changes have been. So what you do is you right click on your Windows, or with Mac you hold your Control. Okay, so right click, you get to view folder history, this one. Yes, view folder history. And now you can restore, you can see different time points, and you can restore the files from any time point. So, and exactly the same applies to, so for example, you would want to restore any of these files like WP so config, this is sample, so WP config, or robots text file. So again, right click, go to view file history, and restore from any earlier backup point. That's it. Thank you. And I really hope that you enjoy these tutorials, and all the best to you. And if you are having any problems, please open a support ticket at hostmarie.com. Have a good day.